What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are here with our favorite Ben at Stutzman's in Derby. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Love having you out here.
Yeah,
and what a beautiful day.
Yes, absolutely beautiful day. Gets people in the spirit of wanting to plant. And you have a dirty little secret you want to share.
Part of our success really is in this dirty little secret.
Okay.
No, we put kind of a fun spin to it.
Yeah.
What it is, it's a potting media that we have used the formulation of for probably 25 years.
Wow.
Went into private label with it also. But it's a combination of composted pine bark, and in the process of composting, you actually develop a disease suppressant that has been very helpful. And it's a blend of 45% composted pine bark. It's got perlite, vermiculite, and Canadian peat moss.
Okay.
Technically, you could say it's all organic matter.
Okay.
But it just hasn't been certified for that.
Okay.
But it has been wonderful for, well, we grow in it.
Yeah.
So if you like Stutzman's plants and how we grow, it's all in this same formula.
Yeah.
But this week, we just like to get people to try it if you haven't. We have people that have come back for years and years and years. But with any $50 purchase of anything, we're taking $5 off of a bag of your choice of either the 40 quart or this is the 2.5, which is a little bit larger.
This is what I need.
This is the bigger one, yes. You know, and kind of looking at this, it drains well, so you're not too likely to have issues with overwatering.
Oh, good.
And like I said, it's very usable for almost anything. We even grow our succulents in it. And succulents, you usually think about needing maybe a little bit more of a sandy soil. No, it works awesome. In fact, we root directly on our geraniums, unrooted cuttings. We root directly into here as we do little tiny cuttings of succulents the same way. So we love it and would like to have everybody use it.
Yeah, and I know you guys grow things like lettuce and things like that. Is this perfect for that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
In fact, you know, we'll have sometimes people say, well, what do I do with the soil that I had last year?
Yeah.
Can I use the same thing? What happens through the course of a season, your soil will get closer to the pH of whatever your water is.
Oh, okay.
But don't just throw it away. Take it out into your garden, into your flower bed, dump it in there and work that in, and basically you've got organic matter that's going into that and really loosening up your soil.
Yeah.
I like to be able to, in the garden, even have it so loose that you can just dig in and plant your plants into it. It's pretty nice.
Kind of fun to play in it too.
You got it.
But perfect for any time of the year, but especially right now because there is that discount on it. How can people find more information?
Always at Stutzmans.com, or you can go to questions if you have a question on something, and it'll always get you into Jason, who does our Stutzman's Home and Garden Show.
Yeah, he's so great, and so are you.
Amazing.
Thank you for being with us today, Ben. Make sure you come check out their dirty little secret, which hopefully isn't much of a secret anymore here at Stutzman's in Derby or any of their garden center locations. But we'll have more in Good Day, Kansas coming up next.
This segment of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's Greenhouse. From their garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's.
Our mission at Stutzman's is for you to be successful, and we say with humor that Stutzman's has a dirty little secret. We do. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's the soil we grow our plants in. We've been successful with this potting soil for many, many years, and yes, you should expect success as well. This week, with a $50 purchase, receive $5 off our medium or large Stutzman soil. Perfect for planting. Visit one of our 12 garden centers soon and find out more at Stutzmans.com or on Facebook.